Get out of here, kid! Get out!
Leave me alone! Just go away!
Don't worry about it. Don't worry, Sanai. He doesn't look too smart.
What are you trying to pull? What the hell do you want from me? Will you marry me?
How about I punch you till you cry?
My name is Tomoya Okazaki, not Ginga.
What's wrong there, pal? Why the stupid look?
Lucky me. I got you covered.
I want to make this self-defense. Come at me.
Very interesting! I'd like to go investigate this new toy personally.
You're so cute bluffing like that, I'll bet your knees are quaking.